Osborn Oceng from RDC Lamwo handed over the office to Mr. Williams Komakej on the 30th of September 2024. This was after some kind of tensions and disagreements which reportedly were among these two people. But then I think it has been settled now. He issues also his statement, which is a message, an appreciation message, and it is coming in handy like this. On 1st of June 2022, I began my tenure as the resident district commissioner at the RDC of Lamwo district with enthusiasm and dedication. As I now transition to serve in Lamwo district, I reflect on our collective achievements with immense pride and gratitude. Together we have worked tirelessly to ensure that Lamwo remains a peaceful and secure district. Our collaborative efforts have accelerated the growth and development of our beloved district. I extend my heartfelt thanks to everyone who believed in the vision of His Excellency President Yoweri Museveni and embraced various development programs such as Emyoga, the Paris Development Model, WEP, the Youth Livelihood Project, and vocational skilling initiatives. Lamwo is now reaping the benefits of these programs. Our district has become a beacon of peace, admired by key stakeholders and investors from various sectors. I am deeply grateful to President Museveni for his continuous trust in my ability to serve our nation under his leadership. Lamwo district, with its vast fertile land, favorite climatic conditions, peace and stability, stands as a food basket of Uganda. I urge the people and leadership to capitalize on these advantages to improve household incomes and strive towards achieving middle income status. As I return to serve in Lamwo district, where I previously served as a deputy RDC and RDC respectfully, I express my profound appreciation to President Museveni for this appointment. The role of the RDC, as outlined in Article 203 of the 1995 Constitution of Uganda, includes monitoring the implementation of central and local government services, chairing the District Security Committee, and performing other functions as assigned by the President. It has been an honor to fulfill these duties in Lamwo district, and I look forward to continuing my patriotic service in Lamwo district. A poem attack for God and my country. Osborn Oceng Geoffrey, Resident District Commissioner, Lamwo district.